Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to assemble Raspberry Pi Retro Gamepad kits with 10.1 inch monitor. At the very beginning, I will introduce the Raspberry Pi's Remote Pi. It's a tiny computer. It's aimed for the education for the children, but there are a lot of programmer and maker use this Raspberry Pi to for their DIY projects. So it's powerful and smart tiny computer. In this project, we will show you how to use those components and make a retro gaming machine at your home. Okay, let's say what we have. And there is a card case. You will find there is a card adapter for your TF card, and this TF card it's 32 gigabytes, and you can store a lot of ROMs for your Retro Pi, and it's preload an operating system called Retro Pi, and it's very functional. Okay, let's put it away. And there are 3 pieces of heat sinks. It can make your Raspberry Pi work properly, and 2 of them are aluminum, and one piece is copper. It's made from copper. Okay, and after you remove this plastic cover and pass it to your Raspberry Pi in here, and here, you will find that the heat sinks sits properly and stick stable. Okay, and this is a black ABS plastic. Yeah, it's a black ABS plastic enclosure for your Raspberry Pi. It can protect your Pi, prevent to short. Okay, and we can just remove 3 pieces of this case to install this first. There is a gap, and put the cover on. Okay, let's see which way I should put. It's done. And in this case, we don't have to use this Ether cable for connect for your Raspberry Pi to access the website. Okay, and if you don't have a AP access point, you can use this Ether cable for your Raspberry Pi. This cable connect to your router. Okay, connect to your router. But Raspberry Pi's Remote Pi has a Wi-Fi module on board, so we can use the Wi-Fi module to connect our routers. Okay, and here is a HDMI cable. It's a short one, and this is a HDMI cable. So this is a HDMI port. You can just plug the HDMI cable to your HDMI port, and another thing is our 10.1 inch high definition monitor. You know, there are a lot of port here. For example, the VGA, HDMI, and RCA port. Maybe this too is audio port. Okay, and there is a USB port. There is a USB port for your memory stick or flash. Okay, and this power port. Let's see. It's a portable foil stand. You can use this portable foil stand. Okay. And put your monitor on it. Okay. And this is a power switch. This power switch can provide 12 volts and 2 amp for your monitor. Okay, 12 volts, 2 amp. Let's see. Here. And push this button, power button. Alright, it lights up, but has no signal. Okay, connect to HDMI cable to the monitor and makes it sit properly. Okay. And then you can open this one. This is a power adapter for your Raspberry Pi. It can provide 5 volts and 2.5 amp for your Raspberry Pi. It can make your Raspberry Pi work properly. And you will find there is a plug. You can change the plug when you are traveling to Australia or Europe. There is some kind of plug for you. Press here and remove this plug. And there are some kind of different standard. There are 4 different standard for your when you are traveling. Okay. Use American standard, for example. Okay. You know, our Raspberry Pi need 5 volts and at least 2 amp for the power source. Okay, and we can use this one to give it a power supply. And there is a mini keyboard for configuration your Raspberry Pi and for your config your Raspberry Pi. And also you can use this keyboard to access website, or when you are typing some text in your Raspberry Pi. And also you can use this keyboard as a mouse. You know, there is as a mouse combo, so it's very useful when you are using this kit. Okay, And let's remove all of this. It's instruction. You can read it before you use this keyboard. And this keyboard has a receiver in its back. It's a tiny receiver, don't lose it, okay? And plug it to your Raspberry Pi USB port. And let's please insert your TF card in this direction, okay? And make sure it sits properly, okay? And all you need to do is to purchase two batteries for your keyboard, because when you transport this, you has a lot of limited for the batteries. So just buy two batteries for your keyboard is okay. And let's install it. Okay. But before you use this keyboard, there is power switch. You should turn it on. You will see the lights out. Okay. When you press a button, the light will turn on. Okay. And there are two gamepads for you to play games. So plug the USB port. Which one is okay? And I want to see it clearly, okay? In this ankle, we can this ankle. All right, let's see. Let's power on your Raspberry Pi. And power on your monitor. If you don't see this screen, please press switch to change the input source to HDMI, okay? Press minor to OK. When the Retro Pi started, you will see this picture, okay? It's fantastic. And there is processing load your system, so just wait for a few minutes. It will initialize some programs, for example, expand your file system and reboot again. It's rebooting, okay? Let's wait. It may take a few minutes. Okay, you will see the programs. When the emulation stations start up, it will show you a welcome screen. It means you have to set up your gamepad. At the very beginning, you all you need to do is push a button. Which one is okay? Alright? Press a button and it will show you configuring screen, and you will follow up this screen to configure your gamepad. D-pad up, press anything, press up, it will bonding to the right key, okay? Down, left, right, start, select, A, B, X, Y, left button, right button. If you don't have left top or right top, you just need to press one button for a while. It will appear no defend, okay? Press it again. Any button is okay. Okay, press A. It will show you the simulator that you have. But you know, this Retro Pi has a lot of simulator in it. When you upload your ROMs, but we don't have the ROMs, you have to download the ROMs from internet. We cannot provide the ROMs because some illegal copyrights issue, you know. So we cannot offer the ROMs. But after you press OK, press A, there is some game for you to play in RetroPie. For example, you can play Quick 3 or Super Mario. Okay, let's play Super Mario. And you can just press it's okay, but the screen has some blackout, you know. You have to fix this. You can just modify the configuration file. Okay, go back to the main menu. Please press ESC, keyboard ESC to go back, or select and start can go back. But for different emulators, there are different ways to quick. Okay, and you can just press start to reconfigure your input. Okay, to reconfigure your input. And also you can just press F4, go back to the command line, and in this command line you can find there is a instructor. I know, you know, the PWD, you will find the path of work directory, and you will find that there is a Retro Pi folder. You can just change directory to the Retro Pi folder, and you will see there is a ROMs folder, CD ROMs folder. You will find there are a lot of folders named by the emulators name. For example, if you want to play Nintendo games, you just put your ROMs into the NES. Maybe if you want to play Game Boy, GBA, some games in GBAs, you just upload those game ROMs into the directly into this folder and restart your emulator. It will be okay. And also you can just press EXIT to exit to the select menu. And also you can connect your Retro Pi to internet with connect to the Wi-Fi, for example. Press A and it will show you connect to Wi-Fi network. Press OK and select which SSID that you want to connect. After you input the passcode for your Wi-Fi, for your access point, and press OK, it will connect to your Retro Pi to the access point, and you can click the show IP to show what IP is it. Your IP is 192.168.3.56. Okay. After you know your IP, you can use your computer upload games from your system. Okay. For example, let's upload Okay, I just upload a video game to my Retro Pi, and this video game is download from internet. You can just search and download the ROMs. It's with a NES prefix, so I will remove it to MV control. Let's see. MV control. To the Retro Pi. /ROMs/NES/ means I will put this game to the NES location and EXIT exists. Let's find out. When you put the right ROMs to the right folder, it will appear in this control panel. So you will find the Nintendo Entertainment System. Press A, you will find the games that I just uploaded. Okay, press A to play the game. You can select two okay? Two. If you have a friend with you, and also you can use this one. Use this one. Okay. If you want to scale your screen, you will need to modify some configuration files in your system. So press select and start. It will go back to the menu, okay? And press F4, go back to the command line, to the CMD prompt, and sudo vam.tiny/boot/config.txt file. You will edit this configuration file to make your screen work properly. So let's see what can I do? I will modify the frame buffer width with 1366 and frame buffer height with 768. Okay. Enable HDMI force hot plug 1 or HDMI group 2. Okay. And sudo reboot. It will full screen, okay? Appear full screen, and you can play video game. That's all. And the next time I will show you how to upload different game to your Retro Pi, and how to configure other advanced configurations. Okay. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.